Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to insert an image in Google Docs. Now this video or tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. So, let's get started. Also, don't worry if you're not familiar with the interface of Google Docs, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do so. Now, please make sure that your Google Chrome is completely up to date before starting with the procedure so that we will not encounter any error along the way. Now once you have done that, you can now open Google Chrome, and in your search bar, either right here or right here, you can type in Google Docs. As you can see, after we hit enter, it gives us tons of results to choose from. Now, we want to focus on the first link right here. Click on it, which will redirect you to this page. From this page, click on Go to Docs. Now, if this is your first time using Google Chrome or Google Docs, it may require you to sign into your Google account. If it does, please do so. Once you have signed in, it will redirect you to this page, which creates a new tab. Now, let's create a new document. In my case, I would like to create a blank document. But depending on your usage, you can also use the resume format, a letter format, or project proposal format, and many more, which are all presets that are set by Google Docs itself. For the sake of this tutorial, I will be using the blank document. Now, when it comes to inserting an image, it is actually pretty simple. As you can see in our ribbon, we have different options to choose from. Let us focus on the Insert tab. Click on Insert once, and now as you can see, we have different types of options that we can choose from, but in our case, let us click on Image, which will open up these options. Now you can either insert an image from your Google Drive, Google Photos, directly by your camera, or you can search the web for it, but for most case scenario, it will come from this first option, which is Upload from Computer. You can click on this one, and as you can see, it redirects us to the directory of our computer. Now from here, we can hit on Downloads, or the file or the folder in which the picture is located. In my case, it is in the Downloads folder. I would like to insert this sample picture right here. Click on this one and click on Open. As you can see, it inserts our beautiful logo. Now, this picture can now be resized. We can change its formatting. We can move it like so. And we can even crop it if we want to. As simple as that, we have now inserted an image to our Google Docs file. If you learned something in this video, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.